Every sound you hear is a vibration. When two waves meet, they don't just pass through each other, they interact. If their peaks align, the energy grows stronger. If not, they fade. This is called interference. It's the physics of resonance. The same principle that makes a bridge collapse under synchronized footsteps or a singer shatter glass with the right tone. Your body works the same way. Your heart, lungs, and even your brain waves create rhythm. When these rhythms fall into harmony, what scientists call coherence, the nervous system relaxes, breathing slows, and focus deepens. That's resonance happening inside you. Ancient cultures called this harmony by another name, presence. They used sound to return to it, humming, chanting, birds that sing. The goal wasn't music, it was alignment, matching the ocean's pulse already moving through the body. Even a single minute of humming lowers stress hormones, boosts oxygen, and synchronizes heart and breath. Resonance isn't philosophy, it's biology remembering peace. Learn how to create your own inner harmony in the Ocean Connection journey.